Standing in front of the Gueridon and knowing that your sauce is going to be completed in 30 seconds and not knowing whether there's a steak walking up behind you is very concerning.
Guys, sauce is ready for table 1. Ian, I need your food.
Yeah, I can't make the steak go any faster.
Hello everybody, I'll be making sauce for you today. I'll use a little bit of olive oil, put some butter, then I'll put my peppercorns just to release the flavors, then I'll put a splash of clipped beef, then I'll flambe it. The first sauce, I was nervous because I've never done the flambe thing before, so I was very, very nervous.
I just want to say what an honor it is to be cooking and serving you today. It's actually the most amazing experience.
It's a pleasure to have you with us.
The idea of waitering being a profession has kind of got lost. And here were men and women who had made this a noble profession. So acknowledging that and honoring that was very important to me.
Hold the pan like that. Pull it more back. Yes. Or you just leave it. Okay, fine.
There we go. Woo!
Shake it. Lovely. Excellent.
Guys, remember, when you send the food out, meat and fish will go out at the same time. And don't forget to coordinate it with whoever doing the sauce in the front. You don't want food on the table waiting for their sauce.
Fish and chips first.
Because I have to watch her. As soon as she pours her sauce into the thing, I have to come with my food so that we all serve together at the same time.
Thank you guys.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for preparing it for us.
Pleasure. The first sauce, I was not communicating with the guests well. Yes, I was a little bit shy.
That looks nice.
There you go. Guys, I'm gonna take fillet medium, tuna medium well.
Yes. Timing was absolutely everything with this challenge and had to really flow like a dance between all 5 of us.
I've got 3 fillets, 2 medium well and 1 medium, and I've got 1 butternut and 1 spinach.
Yes, chef. 1 butternut, 1 spinach.
I know that I need to do is let it sit without moving it for a fair amount of time in order for it to get its grill marks. Yes, you usually want to be able to see, you know, a steak that's been well grilled on the grill if that's what they're ordering.
Ian, can you give me a 5-minute call on the steak?
I will try, they're so big, but I will. In order to be medium rare, I need to get the interior temperature up to 55, so probably another minute or 2. Melissa, I'm going to need another 4 minutes.
4 minutes, Ian.
Standing in front of the Gueridon and knowing that your sauce is going to be completed in 30 seconds and not knowing whether there's a steak walking up behind you is very concerning. Are we nearly with the steak?
You're ready.
I'm ready.
We were quite fortunate to have Philippa learning the timing on her sauce. So we actually got into quite a nice groove.
Guys, sauce is ready for table 1. Ian, I need your food.
Yeah, I can't make the steak go any faster.
Right now, I'm still feeling calm because there's nothing much I can do about speeding up the process. I'm not really interested in sending out an undercooked steak.
Ian, can we have a time call?
Almost there, 1 minute.
Here it comes.
So I'm servicing my 3rd table. Feels like they've waited quite a long time. And I know these guys are going to be like, this is not the way you serve a table.
Sorry for the wait. Your fillet's on its way.
Thank you.
Guys, come on, the food's coming out too slow here.
Okay.
Yes.
Coming behind hot.
If one plate goes out and the rest of the diners have to wait for their food, you put the diners in an awkward situation.
They felt right, but yeah, we'll see.
And a fillet medium well. Does it look good? I hope it tastes great. Not the perfect service, but the food was cooked perfectly, so I think they've well forgotten the 1 minute wait.